Emphysema. In this X-ray of the chest, note the increased radiolucency of the lung fields. The lungs appear more translucent and dark due to an increase in the air space in emphysema. Now note the low and flat diaphragms. The convexity of the dome of diaphragm is reduced and lies below the level of the seventh rib anteriorly. Now observe the intercostal spaces. They are widened. And lastly, the heart and the mediastinum has become small and vertical. These are typical features of an emphysematous chest. Now in the next X-ray, all the features of emphysema are seen. Hyperlucent lung fields with reduced vascular markings, wide intercostal spaces, low flat diaphragms displaying 8 ribs anteriorly, and thin narrow heart. In close-up view, note the dark lung fields with reduced vascular markings. Now in this X-ray, note the mediastinum and heart in particular. The heart is thin and vertical, termed as teardrop heart. Also, note the hypertranslucent lung fields, wide intercostal spaces and low flat diaphragms. This is another X-ray of emphysematous lungs, shown for the low flat diaphragms. Note that the curvature of the diaphragms is reduced and they are almost straight. If right heart failure, that is cor pulmonale, has set in, then the right ventricle will be enlarged. Another feature of emphysema is formation of emphysematous bullae. A bulla is seen as a hypertranslucent shadow, just like a cavity, but with a very thin border, hardly noticeable on X-ray. Note the bulla in this X-ray in the left lower lobe, overlying the heart shadow partly. Note that it has no vascular markings and that it has a very thin border. This is another X-ray showing emphysematous bulla overlying the heart shadow. Large bullas may replace normal lung tissue and reduce the vital capacity of the lungs, resulting in severe breathlessness. Or the bullas may rupture, giving rise to a spontaneous pneumothorax. Note the pneumothorax on the right side shown by the arrow. The right lung is partially collapsed and features of emphysema are seen in both lungs. Note the wide intercostal spaces, very low and flat diaphragms, and a classical teardrop heart. To revise, the radiological features of emphysema are hypertranslucency of the lung fields, low and flat diaphragms, widened intercostal spaces, narrow teardrop heart, and formation of emphysematous bullae. The criterion for a flat diaphragm is the height of the dome of the diaphragm. Join the costophrenic and cardiophrenic angles by a straight line. Then join the farthest point of the diaphragm to this line by a perpendicular line. If this distance is less than 2.5 centimeters, then the diaphragm is considered as flattened.